Hey Bulldog families, I hope this message finds you well, and I hope you're looking forward to spring and the warmer temperatures as much as I am. As we do get into the home stretch of the school year, there's a few reminders that I wanted to share with you. The first one being some important dates to keep in mind as we move towards the end of the year. Next week, we will have spring break, so that'll be March 15th through the 19th. And then as we get into the end of the year, we will have STAR testing. Our dates right now for STAR testing are May 11th through May 14th. Yes, that is 4 days in a row of STAR testing for your kiddos. They will be tested in reading, math, science, and history this year. And then our last important date to keep in mind is final exams in the last day of school. We'll start exams on May 20th and we will finish up the year on May 24th. Second, it's really helpful if students have earbuds or headphones that they can connect to their laptop. Some laptops have the Bluetooth capability to connect to their AirPods, but a lot of them don't, especially if they checked out a Chromebook from school. So it's helpful for them if they need to listen to any videos for class that they have earbuds or headphones that they can directly connect to their Chromebook to be able to get that sound for the best quality lesson. Next thing is to keep checking grades. I know it's the end of the school year and we've been at this for quite a while now. You can, if you haven't already, set up a parent self-serve account and you can set up notifications to get notices for lots of different things regarding grades. If a grade drops below something that is your expectation, if they're missing something, then you can get directly notified that way. You can also set up a Canvas Observer account so you can log in and check up on their grades through Canvas. More information about both of those options are on the AISD website under the Parent tab. And then lastly, student communication. This is really, really important to amp up the responsibility of the kid as they get into high school. So the Canvas inbox is going to be the #1 way that teachers right now are communicating with students on a regular basis, especially those kiddos that are virtually learning at home. They need to be checking this Canvas inbox daily and multiple times a day. If they are not, then they are missing some really important information from their teachers. This is also probably the best way to get in contact with a teacher if a student needs help or has questions. The second way to communicate is through their Gmail account. When they log into Rapid Identity, they have a student Gmail account already attached through the district. So they can get to their Gmail through the Rapid Identity dashboard, and that's something else that they need to be checking on a daily basis. As they get into high school, this will probably be the best way to get into communication with the teachers. So this is a good habit to get into right now as it is. So if you have any questions for me or concerns or things that you want to talk about, you can get in touch with me a couple of different ways. You can email me. My email address is on the slide where this video is located, just over to the right side of the slide. I also have a link to my Zoom that will be open from 5 until 6 o'clock. So if you want to join in on my Zoom, I'd be happy to help answer any questions that you might have. I hope you guys have a great rest of your week, a great spring break, and an awesome end of the school year. Bye, Bulldogs.